try. Oh, it went down one. I got a trick I'm gonna try today. See if this helps. Working on the Bronco. Trying to make it blow some cold AC. Right here used to be covered in a heat shield, and then over time it just fell off. So I bought something from Amazon. I'm gonna try to recover it and see if I can get a couple more degrees cooler. This is what I got. It's just some heat shield with a sticky adhesive on the back. So I'm just gonna go in here and cover the whole thing. I took a reading earlier, see if we get it any cooler. Am I sweating?
What temperature is it in here?
Look at this.
Oh, it's so gross.
It's like 107 today.
Feels like 115?
Something. That's why I'm trying to fix this. Freaking AC won't work. It works, but it's not cold. It's cold, but not cold enough. What are you pointing at?
Look in the camera. Don't look at me.
I'm busy. I'm working.
This rubber band jerry rigged gimbal is awesome.
Well, that's all I got, so shut up. I don't get paid the big bucks. I don't have an OF like you.
Like me?
Taking pictures of your shit. I gotta actually work for a living.
No one's paying you to do this.
Exactly.
So basically, what are you doing?
I'm trying to.
I mean, I stopped playing with stickers in 2nd grade.
Well, I'm trying not to cut hoses on accident. Originally, this truck had a heat shield on it, on the AC, so that this gets cold, gives you cold air, then this gets hot because it's stupid, and then it heats this up, and then it's hot. So I'm shielding it.
Baby, nobody likes a whiner.
Shut up. You're so mean. I'm very irritated, and it's very hot, and my sweat is making this not stick. This doesn't even work anymore because it's so wet. Maybe I should do this on a different day.
Early in the morning, you just gotta wake up.
Well, I stay up all night doing stuff for you.
That's not true, you're drunk.
Wow.
How many layers of that are you gonna put on?
As many as I damn well want.
No, but for reals, like, are you just making sure the whole thing is covered, or?
Did you just say covered?
Yeah.
Why do women do that?
It's a question.
Yeah, but why do you have to go, is it covered? Instead of just, is it covered? You ever notice people do that?
Yeah, I just did it.
Does it drive you nuts when people give lists and at the end, I'm gonna get some apples and some oranges?
At least I'm not talking with vocal fry.
I don't even know how to do that. Why do people do that?
It's a learned thing. They think it makes them sound cool.
What? But you sound stupid.
It's the 2023 version of Valley Girls from back in our day.
Valley Girls were hot.
You just talked to vocal fry. Oh my gosh.
Why do you think it's gonna work?
Are you done?
No. Just asking a question.
Dude.
What?
I freaking hear thunder.
No, you don't.
That is freaking thunder.
That's a freaking airplane.
That's freaking thunder.
What are you UFO?
It might be thunder. Sounds like thunder from over there.
made me hit my head.
I have to take advantage of you while you're up there.
Okay, that's all I'm doing. I am whipped. It's like 108 today, and I'm just sweating. I'm gonna crank it up, see if it went down any. All right, you stupid old truck. Crank up. What's the temperature
In the Bronco? 83.
83. Let's see what it is in the vent. We're actually driving now. Come on, 50. Oh. It's getting closer. Let me floor it. See if it gets colder.
You gotta turn.
Fine. 55.
55 is pretty much.
What do you think?
What was it before?
Are you proud of it?
I've never been more proud. What was it before?
I don't know. I'll have to go back and look at the video now.
What does that say? 50? Oh, 57.
Oh crap, now it's going up. Oh, you broke it. Oh, what the? No wonder all your food tastes weird. It's this meat thermometer doesn't work.
Dude, this thing is like freaking. It's like spot on. It's bright.
I say it's a success.
Great success!